In this video, I'm going to explain what custom dentures are. For dentures, there's really three types of dentures. There's dentures that get made at a denturist office, dentures that get made at a dentist office, and then custom dentures, which are more of a unique way of making dentures that are custom for somebody. So when somebody requires a denture, such as a top denture, they can go to a denturist, and generally speaking, they'll take an impression and make a denture, and you'll get the denture delivered probably within a few days or a week, and it works for a lot of people. The price point is generally the lowest price point possible. Then there's going to see a dentist and having a dentist make a denture. Generally, that could be a couple more appointments. And at the end of the day, the price point is going to be a little bit more than a denturist, and you'll have theoretically a higher quality denture when it's made by a dentist. And lastly, of course, there's what's called a custom denture. What a custom denture is, it's a denture made specifically for you. Let me explain. When we start off making a custom denture, we sit down and we create a vision for your new smile. We want to know what it is you're interested in. We talk about the size of teeth, the shape of teeth. I show you a smile catalog with different shapes of teeth, as well as talk about different shades. We create a vision for your smile based on the length of the front teeth, and I explain to you some of the principles of smile design so you have a good understanding of what the possibilities are. So whether you're interested in a smile like you had before you lost your teeth or a whole new smile that's appropriate for where you're at in life, we can create a vision for that smile custom for you. Now, as well, for some people who've lost their teeth for an extended period of time, they may notice their face looking older prematurely, and for certain people, what we can do with the custom denture is add on some bulk here to support the upper lip, to support the cheeks. We can add height to the denture to open up the vertical, which basically means if your face is collapsing, your nose and your chin are too close together, we can increase that length a bit. So we create a vision, all that on the first day. And then we take some impressions and whatnot. The beauty of the custom denture is you come back after a week, we actually try in the denture in your mouth before it's completed. So you get to see what it's going to look like. You get to look at the size and the shape of the teeth. You get to look at the color. You get to smile with it in your mouth, and it sits almost exactly the same as your denture is going to. So you have a good idea of what's going on. And then we critique it together. You look at it, I look at it, and we take a look at every aspect of the smile and the denture that we want, and any tweaks or changes we want to make. If the teeth too white, we can go down a shade. Are they not white enough? We can go up a shade. If they're too long, we can shorten them. If they're too short, we can lengthen them. Then we make our changes, then you come back in a week later, and then we assess it again, and we continue that process. And generally, it usually only takes a couple weeks for us to get it 100%, but at the end of the day, it'll take as long as it takes to get the smile and the denture exactly the way you want it. And once it's exactly the way you want it, then we go ahead, process, and we finish it. And a week later, after the very last try-in appointment, it's done. And you get a denture that is custom for you, for your face, for what your wants are, and what's gonna look best and for you. So in this video, I'll explain what a custom denture was and the process that's involved. Now, as well, a custom denture will cost more than a denture made at a denturist or made at made in the regular fashion by a dentist. Thank you.